Do you want to zoom in on your Windows 11 screen and make text, icons, and other content easier to see? In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to enable and use the magnifier in Windows 11. Let's get started. Method 1. Keyboard shortcut. The fastest way to turn on magnifier is with a keyboard shortcut. Simply press the Windows key and the plus key at the same time. Magnifier will immediately open and zoom in on your screen. To zoom in further, press Windows ++. To zoom out, press Windows +-. And when you're finished, press Windows +Escape to close magnifier. Method 2. Start menu. The second method is even simpler. Click the Start button and search for magnifier. Select the magnifier app from the search results, and it will open immediately. Method 3. Windows settings. You can also enable magnifier through Windows settings. First, click the Start button and open Settings. Next, now select Accessibility, and then click Magnifier. Turn on the magnifier option. From here, you can also adjust the zoom level and customize how magnifier works on your screen. And that's it. You can easily enable magnifier in Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.